Hi, this is Jen from Liugong Machinery. Today I want to introduce you the most popular excavator models in Liugong, which is 922E. Let's go. First, I want to show you the carriage of this excavator. You can see the details of it, the travel motto. This is the swing bearing and the cylinder, hydraulic pipes. Okay, this is the overlook. You can see how big this excavator it is. It's a 22 tons excavator. You can see the man standing there. You can compare how big it is. Now I want to show you the cabin of this excavator. Here, you can see I can show you the details. Okay, this is the seat and joystick, pedals, and air conditioner, and the speakers you can see. The engine of this excavator is CUMMINS QSB7, and all hydraulic pump for this excavator is Kawasaki Japanese original pump. So it's very quality guarantee. You can choose 0.5 cubic meter or 1 cubic meter bucket for this excavator.
Now let's take a minute to enjoy every details of this excavator 922E.
So that's today's video. Thanks for watching. If you want to know details of these excavators or other Liugong machines, feel free to contact me. Bye bye.